And our top focus this afternoon, the first batch of the Covishield vaccine from Serum Institute Pune has arrived in Delhi, in Chennai, Bengaluru as well as in Ahmedabad. The very first lot of Covishield vaccines touched down at Delhi's IGI airport at 10 a.m. It was taken to the Rajiv Gandhi Hospital for storage. 34 boxes carrying 2,64,000 doses of Covishield arrived in the national capital. Now, in the first phase, the centres placed an order for 1 crore 11 lakh Covishield doses from Serum Institute worth 231 crore rupees and another 55 lakh Covaxin jibes worth 162 crore rupees at 295 rupees per shot. According to sources, the centre is committed to buying another 4.5 crore doses of Covishield from Serum Institute. The centre is bearing full expense of vaccinating 3 crore healthcare workers. 3 temperature-controlled trucks rolled out of the Serum Institute gates at around 5 a.m. and left for the Pune airport, from where the vaccines were sent to 13 cities. India will launch the world's largest vaccination drive in a few days from now on Saturday.
3 करोड़ वैक्सीन हम स्टोरेज कर सकते हैं स्टेट के अंदर, और जिस ढंग से 16 तारीख को वैक्सीनेशन होगा शुरू, भारत सरकार ने 5000 साइट्स पूरे कंट्री के लिए तय की है। उस दिन 282 साइट्स राजस्थान को दी है उन्होंने। जब शुरुआत करेंगे हम, 2 साइट इसमें इंटरेक्टिव है जहां हम आपस में संवाद कर सकते हैं। 280 को मॉनिटर वो करेंगे।
First batch of vaccines have reached Chennai and they are leaving from Chennai airport currently. The health secretary earlier mentioned that 5,56,500 vaccines have reached Chennai, and these are the vehicles that you could see carrying them. They have the name on it, MOHFW, which means Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. These are the vehicles that are carrying the vaccines currently, and they are going to the state depot as we speak. Health Secretary earlier mentioned that of the 5,56,500 vaccines, 20,000 are from Bharat Biotech, and the rest, the almost 5 lakh plus vaccines are from Serum Institute Pune, and they are on their way to DMS. Health Secretary has also mentioned that these vaccines are going to State Depot, from there to 10 different locations, regional places, from there directly to the vaccine centers itself. This is the first batch that has reached Chennai, and this is the first batch that will be used to vaccinate health workers. With camera person Sukumar, Pramod Madhav for India Today.
So 13 cities in all, consignments of the vaccine Covishield has been sent across. Nagarjun Dwarkanath is joining us from one of those cities. He's joining us live from Bengaluru. We also have with us Milind Sharma, who's getting us all the latest updates from Delhi. Milind, to you first. Have the vaccines, the vaccine consignment that touched down in Delhi at 10 a.m. this morning, has it reached the Rajiv Gandhi Hospital?
Well, not at this point, Akshita. We are at the Rajiv Gandhi Hospital that will be storing all the vaccines for the state of Delhi especially. And behind me, you can see that is the place, that is the utility building where the vaccines will be stored. Now, we are hearing that there's some sort of delay at the airport, which is why the vaccines haven't arrived. But 22 boxes will come here at Delhi's Rajiv Gandhi Super Speciality Hospital. That's the utility building where the storage facilities have been made from 2 to 8 degrees to store both Covishield as well as Covaxin. And certainly the first consignment that just arrived from Pune this morning has reached Delhi, but we are yet to see it arriving at one point. We've also been told that some of the consignment that is meant for North India will also go to Karnal, which is the GDSM port for the vaccine storage for the central government. Now, this will also be looked at by the central government itself. So Delhi will receive close to about 5 lakh such, vaccine doses to vaccinate about more than 6 lakh of their healthcare workers and frontline workers in the first phase.
Okay.
But the arrival of the vaccine is being awaited at Delhi's Rajiv Gandhi Super Speciality Hospital. There, back to you.
Let me take this across now to Nagarjun Dwarkanath, who's reporting from Bengaluru. Nagarjun, what are the kind of arrangements, preparations made in the city and across the state really for the vaccine rollout on Saturday? Has the consignment reached?
Akshita, just a minute back, the SpiceJet flight from Pune to Bangalore has landed at the Bangalore International Airport, and behind me is the cargo facility where the vaccine will be deboarded and put in a truck here. The truck has already reached from the health department. It will be taken to a cold storage system, a facility in Anandrao Circle in Bengaluru is what you are told. And from there, it would be distributed locally across Karnataka. On 16th, the State Department, Health Department is ready to roll out the vaccine drive for the health workers. The Health Minister already visited the vaccination center and cold storage center yesterday and monitored the arrangements. In moments from now, the truck from the airport here behind me will be leaving to the vaccination cold storage facility.
Okay, Nagarjun and Milan, thank you for getting us those details. I did mention how these vaccine consignments are being sent across to 13 cities. A certain number of these vaccine doses will be sent across. And let me break down the numbers of the first batch of the COVID vaccines and how many goes to each city. Let's start off with the national capital, Delhi. 2,64,000 doses have been sent from Pune. That's already reached the national capital. In Chandigarh, at this point, the government has planned that 2,28,000 doses will be sent across as part of the first batch. What about Lucknow? Well, at this point, the consignment is at 2,64,000 in the city of Lucknow being sent from Pune. So this is the Covishield vaccine. In the city of Patna, at this point, the number is pegged at 5,52,000 doses because from Patna also, it will be given to several other places. In Bhubaneswar, in Odisha, the number of doses being sent from Pune is 4,80,000. What about Kolkata? Well, here you've got about 9,96,000 doses of the vaccine being sent across from Pune to Kolkata. In Guwahati, in Assam, the number that's been put right now is at 2,76,000. Bengaluru, the consignment is just reached. It's at 6,48,000 doses have been sent across. Now, besides that, also, let's tell you the numbers from Chennai. At this point, the government has agreed to 7,08,000 doses being sent as a first batch of the vaccines to the city of Chennai. Let me also tell you now in Hyderabad, 3,72,000 doses have been sent from Pune via flight. And then you have also Guwahati, which I was mentioning earlier, where 2,76,000 doses have been sent as part of the first consignment of vaccines. A lot of talk about exactly what the vaccine rollout is going to be. Different cities are preparing as these Covishield vaccines from Pune are arriving one after another. Let's get you all the ground reports.
We are at this cold chain center of Telangana government. This is the main facility, main warehouse of Telangana Health Department, and this cold chain center has been prepared by the government. It has the capacity of storing almost 1.5 CR, 5 crore vaccines, and all preparations are on. All staff monitoring, maintenance of cold chain, maintenance of temperature, maintenance of hygiene, maintenance of security, everything has been placed here. Today, sometime in afternoon, first batch of Covishield vaccine from Pune, it will arrive here in Hyderabad and it will be brought to this particular warehouse of Telangana government, Telangana's health department's warehouse, and from here it will be distributed to 10 other small warehouses established in 10 different districts of the state. Government authorities are continuously monitoring the entire cold chain maintenance and distribution system. They have made appropriate and elaborate arrangement for the successful vaccination drive. With camera person Damodar, Ashish in Hyderabad for India Today.
Finally, wait is over. Corona vaccine is arriving to Lucknow for Uttar Pradesh vaccination drive, and including 4 other states, UP is also receiving this this package of vaccine today in the afternoon. This package will arrive under tight security, and this will be taken to Central Command Office in Lucknow itself. On 16th, when this drive will start, first of all, 51,000 health workers will be vaccinated by this package. Finally, wait is over, and before this, UP government has made all arrangements. Yogi Adityanath, CM UP, has monitored himself for this dry run. 3 dry runs are being already conducted, and after that, all the arrangements are being done. Every person who is involved in this vaccination drive is informed and he is well trained. All protocols of COVID time will also be followed, but most important thing that 200 centers are being made, all under CCTV cameras, and every person who is associated with this drive given strict instructions so that they can follow protocol for COVID time, and this vaccination drive will start on 16th. With camera person Harish Kanpal, this is Shiven Srivastava for India Today in Lucknow.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.